this PS4 is dead and it won't turn on or anything at all. Check the cable. Today we're going to take it apart and show you guys hopefully how to fix it. So watch this. Hi guys, Tops here from Just One For All. Today I'm going to share some knowledge with you. I do a lot of tech repairs in my spare time. I've opened up many and repaired many games consoles, laptops, computers and so on. This is a friend's PS4, this way around, okay, and it won't start up. We've checked with a different cable, we've checked the fuse, nothing. No clicking sound, no lights, no LEDs, no fans. I have a feeling there's a power supply unit in there, PSU for short, and I have a feeling that's gone kaput and we need to take it out and check, because there's some PSUs which are 4-pin, 5-pin, and just got to check and make sure before we order the right one. Okay, so I'll show you how to do this right now. Now, to open this, guys, you have to be a little bit careful because you might have warranty on there, and you've got 2 plain stickers here on this one, and you've got 2 stickers here with text says if you damage them then your warranty is voided. And this PS4 is well over 1 year old and it's got no warranty, but I'm still going to take these stickers off carefully. And to do that, grab yourself something sharp, and I'll show you a variety of things. So I've got a scalpel blade here, I've got something I use for scribing on wood, scribe I think it's called, and a really thin precision screwdriver. So here we go, there we go. So just gonna, these ones doesn't even matter actually, but I'll just show you. There we go, we managed to get it off without any damage. I'm just going to leave it on the edge of this table here, one. Because the stickers are about 1 millimeter smaller than the actual gap. There we go, no damage. Now, let's put this scary blade away to one side before we get hurt. And you've got torque screws here, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are security torque, they call them, and I've got a set of these, part of my other set, and my precision screwdrivers. It's definitely T8, guys. I just put these guys to one side. Now you just open the shell up, and there it goes. Ready? Just prise you open in the corners. There we go. There. I've opened quite a few PS4s. There we are. Nice and easy. Alright. Now, whoa. Check out this PS4. Oh my god, man. That is bad. So I'll give you a clean as well. Put that to one side. That fan is major dirty. Wow. That's not healthy. Alright, anyway, back to the PSU, guys. It's here. 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These got little tabs because they're quite long, they go all the way through, so you can lift the whole thing up. Just make sure you don't damage them. And these 2 are Phillips and these 2 are the torque. Now, I'm going to take it out and just double check the model of this PSU, but what I actually only need to know is this cable here, how many pins there is to order it. So is it 1, 2, 3, it's a 4-pin. So this PS4 is a 4-pin power supply unit, okay? But I'll show you how you take this off. And as I'm opening this, I might as well give it a good service. T8, is it T8? Yes. So open these up. These are much easier to open. And these are silver, the earlier ones were black. And back to my Phillips. I love this screwdriver. I do most of my laptop jobs with this one. So you hear that noise? That means it's fully out. Just lift that. Ah, now this one comes out. So you've got these three things. They're designed to catch on the inside and not come out too easily. Let's see if we can get this guy out now. He doesn't want to play ball. There's always one, isn't there? No, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't want to come out. I don't want to go. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? There we are. Alright, done. Now, keep your cable to one side. It will bend. And then you want to pull it straight out. It might catch a little bit on these grill bits, but don't be afraid. Okay, there's one part. So use a bit of strength on this side. There we are, ready, and straight out. There's your power supply unit, guys. In the olden days, this used to be as part of the plug and so on. Just smelling it. It does smell a bit burnt. So I have a feeling this is gone, and that size, nothing is getting processed. Look at these two pins here. Alright, so that's the reason why you got to pull it straight out. So the item has arrived, guys. The power PSU for the PS4. It's all PPs. Well wrapped, comes in a box. So give me a whack. Looks good. Just make sure it's the full pin. Have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, it looks good. There we are. Sony Computer Entertainment. Genuine, guys. So it says here, it's embossed here, Sony Computer Entertainment. Alright, so we're ready. It looks exactly the same. Make sure the code ATP-240CR. All good. Let's put it on. Here's the new one to go in. And just make sure the pins and it goes straight in, and make sure you have your cable out, checking to make sure nothing's damaged. Have it out the way, line it all up, and then straight, feel it, and then done. Make sure it's nicely in. Get your cable. It can only go in one way, so because there's like a key system there. So just there, might use a little screwdriver here just to get, there's not much room to play with. No, it's all okay. There we are, lined up, and I'm not sure if you can see it there. So just have it lined up, that cable, and then just in it goes. I want to give this, can you see this fan on this mate's one? It's really dirty, so I'm going to give it some I can use a Hoover duster, blow duster on there, and that's how it looks. Lovely. A lot of stuff came up from these edges, and I've done all the sides and everything, so that's had a quick service as well. Alright, so now time to put everything back together. Grab your cover. Now to put the cover back on, guys, put in the front part in first like this, like that, and then push that part down. And to take it off, it's vice versa. This part first and then slide it away. Alright? So put it on, there and down. Now these guys are annoying security T8. Security meaning they've got a little welded spot on the middle, and the normal T8 doesn't want to go in, but if you do it slowly and carefully, it can be done. Alright, so here we go. But I'll just put them on. And one there. So it looks better than without the stickers. Black ones were here at the end. And one more security one. We'll try and even get it the right way around, same way text. There we are. You can't even tell it's been opened. Awesome. Now, let's grab the cable and power it on and I'll show you. Just to show you, there's the old one. Okay. So here we are, guys. We got it plugged in, power, everything connected. We've even got a USB, because I don't have the original controller with it. And moment of truth, guys, does it turn on? Yes! Awesome. So that's how you change the power supply unit. Awesome. Brilliant. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you found this video useful and it helped you get your PSU changed and power back in your PlayStation 4, give us a thumbs up, give us a comment, and thank you so much. This will not fix white light of death, which is your PlayStation first starts off blue or goes straight into white, and if it starts off a blue and then goes to white and is flashing, that's a motherboard or a graphics card issue. Or if you got the blue light of death, then it won't fix this. This is when your PS4 is not starting at all and you need to change the power supply. That's the first thing I would do if your PlayStation 4 is not starting up. Okay, guys?